Hey everybody, welcome back to another video here on Vivo Garage, where we're continuing with our Goatski series. And in today's episode, we are dropping the engine into the Goatski. It is done, ready to go, and with some success, we'll hopefully get this thing started. But I at least wanted to get dropped in and go through that. So we'll do some talking points as we go through it, and we will hopefully get it going. So yeah, let's see what happens. Stay tuned.
We can pull together if you want to. Yeah. I'll take. I go first. I'll figure it out. Yes. Oh, it's like a. Oh, yeah. We did that serious. Make sure this is. There we go. This is this is. So bring it down. So just need to stop that. The wire was in. No, it should be 7 and then it should go here in front. Yeah, right. So B, then you go down and then what was it? Was it just the side cover? Just this. So W. This is on the check. Well, I mean, could be that. Oh, that's not close. Is that? Okay, so yeah, oh yes. So we get this power to the server, and we probably have to set it down, unbolt it on one side, like take the main mount bolts out, and push it out. But if you put it, stop it. It's over here. Good. And around. Oh, because it's so fast. I see them, like, I would totally. I didn't no, it's scratched there, but it could be, yes, I did. But my mouse is the start engine pull. But please, let's see, where is it?
So the camera quit running for a while, and I didn't realize it till afterwards. But as you can see, we definitely did get this thing set in. Some of the things that you last saw, we were getting the exhaust manifold and the intake manifold in. At that time, that's weird. Got oil drops there. Oh, because I put oil in. Anyway, and it obviously fits in there quite nicely. So what I've got now, I've got all the water hoses here that are all connected, and I will say having the service manual really helped, because it definitely gives you the whereabouts where everything is. But before we put it in, we labeled everything with what it goes to, so we have a little better reference. These obviously go right there because they're literally right there, but it's really hard to see. I'll get some light shining down in here. Some of these other ones, it's kind of a spaghetti factory going on down there, so it really helped. And we mapped out everything prior to putting the engine in, just to give it a little bit better visibility. So once we had it in there, that definitely helped out. And then looking down in here, if I can get my camera to cooperate, maybe not. We have the wiry harness that still working on. So as it sits right now, I'm not getting any power to the power switch up here, and I'm not getting anything up here, and then my display is not powering up. So just troubleshooting that right now, trying to figure out where I'm not getting the voltage. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll continue on, and hopefully we'll get this thing powered up so we can start getting it running. Well, got a little bad news, and unfortunately I'm not going to be able to get this thing in the water by the end of May like I wanted to. When I was trying to do compression testing on the engine, I was cranking it over, and this just nasty grinding noise was coming from the engine and just kept going and going and going. So it's not doing it anymore. I think I just finally, whatever it was, died. So I'm gonna have to pull the engine out again and do an assessment on it, see what's going on. I think it was more likely just the starter, because so I think that makes sense with it. But you know, it is what it is. So unfortunately, that's where this video is going to end, and we did not get it running like I was hoping to. So more to come on what's next with it as we dare into it and see what's going on. So thank you again for watching. Comment below what you think it might be. Obviously you didn't hear it, it's just a really grindy noise. And you know, if you're new to this, consider subscribing. I'd love to get new viewership and see, you know, how we can get this channel going. Jet skis are not the only thing I'm going to be doing on this channel, but as it sits right now, that's kind of what I'm starting with. I will be getting some other stuff like cars and things like that going, but this garage I'm in right now is temporary. Once I get established in my new house with a better garage setup, we'll be doing some different things like that, but sticking with jet skis right now because they're easily to maneuver around and stuff. So anyway, I'll quit rambling on, but thank you again for watching, and until the next one,